everyone. It is like 5:20ish or something. One of the projects that had been in the works is showing fruition. It looks super cute. I have to tell my mother to come out here and see. We had got some lanterns, some empty lanterns, patio lanterns from Home Depot when they had their clearance sale. And the whole thing was, oh, maybe we'll put some LED candles. I had the chance to get some. I didn't get some. I wanted to call my mother to make sure she didn't pick up, so I didn't get them. But she's like, maybe I'll put some solar lights in there. Okay, I thought she was going to get those big solar lights, individual solar lights. Maybe that's what she meant to get initially also as well. But today she came back and she got, I guess, 4 of the smaller Christmas color lights. And she said they only had 2 colors. She said they had, I guess, green and gold. I thought she said green and blue. And she took them out. She faced them towards the sun. I said, Ma, are you sure that they have a little... No, because the solar lights from Walmart have a little tab keeping them from, powering. Like they'll charge and whatnot. So she goes and checks. I guess they were in off position. They're on now. They look fantastic. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so she has 4 of them. She has 4 of the orange lights and 4 of the green, 2 in each. How cute. How cute. And so these, I'm not really sure. I guess because you can actually use actual candles in this. So this is just empty. But how cute. Oh, she says one of the handles broke or something. Like, oh, I see it. I see. Oh, the whole, okay, just the wood and here's the glass pane. Okay, so this can't move anywhere for now. At least that singular one. But how cute. Oh my goodness. That's so cute. Oh, wow. I really love this.